Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MKAU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. I want to circle back to the whole 30-minute time frame thing again. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I say that because check out the final 30 minutes of the day right here. So going into the weekend, so not only the final 30 minutes of the day, but the final 30 minutes of the week since today's Friday. Volume came pouring in and got a good solid green candle there. Now, is this a leading indicator of something? You know, something bigger to come next week? I have no idea. We shall see, but no doubt about it. You really couldn't ask for a stronger close to the day and to the week. So like I said, we'll see if that movement has any sort of true power behind it. And the easiest way to measure that we'll get to in a couple seconds here. But let's first start talking about a couple areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can hold up above 0.028, that would be a great sign of power. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above it, that would definitely be best case scenario. Next level of support, right there at 0.023. So 0.028, 0.023. Two near-term areas of support. For more so a bigger term or a bigger picture, really all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and that brings about a very simplistic way to kind of measure the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this whole price movement right here, how can you measure the health? Like I said, easiest way to do that, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? And that's where this whole was the final 30 minutes. Does this have some sort of true power behind it? Of course, the first step is going to be, well, if it's got true power behind it, it's going to maintain levels of support. I would assume I'm stating the obvious there, but now it's got to show some power in regards to breaking through levels of resistance. So let's talk about a couple of these. So for this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to give us a little bit more perspective. And the first key level of resistance that stands out to me is right here. What is that? At 0.0345, and is that almost essentially where the price got rejected from during that final 30 minutes, which makes good sense. Why do I say that makes good sense? Well, you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see knock down the price, and again, knock down the price. So I'm not saying the price can't break through it. I'm just saying the bulls are going to have to bring their A game in order to fight through that level of resistance and, you know, get this bounce to continue on. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice way to close out the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.